Hello everyone, this is me, Architect Clicked here, and today I finally am deciding to rebuild one of my old puzzles. The Empire State Building. So as you see, this puzzle right here, 216 pieces, bendable, you can build all this, flip it to the side, get all this in multiple different languages. If you've ever built a Ravensburger puzzle, then I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of this. But yeah, we're gonna open this right now, straight to the point. So let's open this right now. I've never filmed a video like this before, so my apologies if stuff turns out a bit wonky, Just want to make sure it's still rolling. Yes, it is still rolling. Fantastic. Alright, so puzzle bag. These pieces, and yes, I'm going to be using these. That's something that I did years ago that I severely regret to this day, is not use those pieces. Instruction booklet, and this piece right here. Yeah, seems to be empty. Yeah. So let's get this out. Come on. Yeah, this is all familiar. I built this puzzle before. I built like 2 different variations. I built this regular Empire State Building, which I no longer have, but I just rebought because I built it so bad it wasn't even worth keeping. And an American flag version of the same building. So yeah, let's get started. Let's find the bag. Okay, who has the lower numbers? This is what? 1. So this is like the higher numbers. This means that this right here, 18. See this, guys? This is the actual building itself. So let's actually move this aside. Let's pour this in here. So this is what we got. Let's find. Oh yeah, first piece immediately. Nice. We found it. We found the first piece, guys. Okay, so let's see what the instruction booklet says. We need to find. Don't mind my sister. She is being goofy. So we need to find 1 through 22. Is it 1 to 22? Yes, it's 1 to 22. I'll tell you when I found these pieces. Alright, so I found all the pieces, almost. I think I did find all the pieces. So let's put this down. Alright, so let's sort them. So this is 11. This is 8, 16, 12, 6, 7. Let's actually move everything here to the middle so you guys can see what I'm doing. 6, 7, 8, 12, 16, 13, 4, 9, 14, 2, 10, 22, 1, 3, 17, 5, 20, 15, most importantly, 18. So let's get building, guys. as you see, this is actually kind of a... So let's actually get this in kind of nice, because this is a Ravensburger puzzle for crying out loud. We do not want anything to break. Oh my goodness. Now that right there is a awesome little bend. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's the problem with Ravensburgers. If you just like put them like straight through there, then it's gonna be wildly difficult to build. Yeah, 9, 10. Yeah, we'll get this sorted out, guys. We'll surely get this sorted out. Cause look, it's not even center, but we'll get it. We'll get it. So that's, oh crap! Where's piece 11 on this? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't mind my hands in the way. I'm building stuff, as you can clearly see. Come on, don't break. Please don't break on me, dude. Come on, don't break. Okay, perfect. It didn't break. Okay, now we got 17, 18. It's 19. Where's piece 19? Did we just forget? Come on. All right, let me do this. I found 19, guys. Holy crap! This is amazing. This is a breakthrough. This is a breakthrough discovery, guys. I found 19. So it's here. Put it now with 20, 21, 22. Now, here's the fun part about this. Put this piece on. Will it fit? Now it's time to grab this, finally. Nice. We did it! Now it's time to build the rest of this. Oh, my bad, guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. So now all we gotta do is find the little pieces that come with it. That is, if I can find them. Here they are. Oh, little spire. I don't need that. But, yeah. Here they are. So, let's put this on, right? Should it click? Oh, yeah, I can back in. Alright, so I finally got this in. It was a pain to get that in. Like, it was actually crazy. But you know what? Let's continue. Alright, so this is what I got. As you see here. Yeah. Yeah. See you when I get done this whole section. Alright, so we are back now. So this is what we got. Alright, so as you see here, we have made it to 93 to 104, and that requires this piece to go on. See this piece right here? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So bear with me, people. Perfect. So now we got this piece on. It should hopefully give us like a stable connection to this building right here. So yeah, that's what we got. Yeah. Alright, so this is what I got. So I've made it to this piece. This piece here stayed on. This is a mistake that I made last time when I built this puzzle. Also, mic sounds a little different because I just connected my headphones, but you know what? You know what? We're gonna keep building this, and I will let you guys know when I get to the tippy top of this part of the building. We got it done, almost. You know what we need to do now? We need to install this piece on it. Oh. Yeah, right here. So let's do that. Yeah, not good. So how do we install this into it again? Hold on. I'll get it sorted out. Alright, so this is the best I could do. But it works. So yeah. Let's keep building. Alright, so here's what I got now. I got this piece done. I just need to construct the rest of this, and I think I'm done. So yeah, let's get this done. I'm gonna just do this in a time lapse. Alright, so this entire part is done. Let's got the final piece to this. Oh, right here. Come on, please fit. Please fit in. Please fit in. Let's go. It fits. Just need to do a little maneuvering around to get this in. And yeah, where are we? What's the lowest piece number we have? 210. Okay, where does this start? 209 to 216. Do we have a 209? Should. Oh, right here, guys. My bad. Here's our 209. Back to the time lapse. Crap, I just broke a piece. Well, I'll be right back. I have something to repair it. We got our trusty Gorilla Glue. Yeah, this isn't good, guys. Yeah. Alright, so I got the piece somewhat repairing. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna finish the rest of this. Alright, so that's done. Let's get this piece in, and then we are finally done. Let's top it off. Right here. Bam. We did it, guys. I don't know if you guys can fully see it. Oh. Yeah. We did it, guys. So let's put it over here, and I'm going to put it in my collection. So, yoink. Ooh, can I... there we go, perfect. Let's take you over. Here it is, guys. The Empire State Building is finally with our collection. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, if you want to see more of these videos. But if you want to see more videos, just subscribe to my main channel, and I'll catch you all very much later. Peace out and have a great day.